I will be teaching you practically every aspect of Fabric step by step. Over almost 2 decades of my journey with Microsoft technologies, I can give you correct, complete information about big data, cloud computing, data warehouse with Fabric activities. My course also includes Azure migrations and AI components. Let's get started. The agenda for today's class: what is database? What is engineering? We need to learn like what exactly data engineering is and who can become a data engineer, what exactly Fabric data engineering means, and the components involved. There is a certification called DP700 certification. Let's get these details carefully. First, what is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. Very easy to implement and highly secure. Stores big data, supports cloud with AI implementations. You take any environment in real world, banking, healthcare, telecom, e-commerce, anywhere, everywhere. Yes, this particular database platform is very common. And you know, there are different types of databases. One of them is data warehouse. This is mainly our actual course. Data warehouse, a special type of database to store huge volumes of historical inactive data. In our classes from tomorrow, we are going to learn how to implement something called SCD and incremental loads with DLT, Delta Live Tables, and Medallion architecture. Here I said SCD, Delta Live Tables, and Medallion, right? These three items need ETL, extract, transform, load. We read data from various sources, perform transformations, finally load the data to destination. In our example, destination is our Fabric environment. So as a data engineer, we are involved in reading data from various sources, perform destination loads. To implement these items, we make use of Fabric. Fabric can help us for performing these ETL and data warehousing concepts. Now, from here, let's see what exactly we need to learn in Fabric. Friends, trust me, things are very easy and straightforward. Here it is, the complete information, the complete lab plan on my screen here. I'm going to show you how to read data from various data sources like cloud data sources, on-premises data sources, web data sources, social media apps, etc. From there, we read the data into Fabric. Okay, I'll provide you the Fabric account separately to you. From Fabric, what we do, we perform analytics and or data science concepts. We are into core red box. Fabric has separate environments and certifications for analytics and data science. So Fabric is everywhere. Our course is into Fabric engineering. This red box is DP700. And the analytics one, it is DP600. So I have separate courses, separate certifications. Prerequisite. database, and SQL concepts. Please revise basics of MS SQL, DQL, DDL, DML statements. It should be fine. And next, in our classes from tomorrow, what we do? Yes, we need to create something called Workspace and configure something else called OneLake. What is it? OneLake. Inside this OneLake, we are going to have warehouse, lake house, stream house. Three different type of houses. Warehouse is mainly for storing historical data. Lakehouse can store not only historical data, sometimes even live streaming data also. And from here, something like this. I'll just put it here in this way. And we also have something called stream house. Stream house is used to capture live data, live real-time data, event data. Here we need to learn something else called Spark clusters, cloud computing activities, etc. We'll do it slowly, step by step. Well, from here, please, any questions, let me know, please. I'll wait. Any questions, please? Let me know so far, please. I'll wait. From here, what we do, yes, the next items are important for us. So I divided the entire items into two important modules. The complete course, fabric course. I divided into two important modules. One is warehouse and other one is lake house with stream house. We are going to learn these items carefully. And here it is. We have fabric warehouse. We are going to learn the warehouse concepts, creations, time travel activities. We'll learn something called cloning concepts, data factory, staging, pipelines, incremental loads, on-premises data access, control tables, aggregated loads, lakehouse loads, etc. And we have the concept of notebooks. Here we'll be learning about something called Python. I'll be teaching you Python fundamentals, part of this course. Whatever Python needed for data engineering, we'll be taking it here. We'll be teaching Python. From Python, practically, with examples, we have something called PySpark, Medallion architecture, Delta Lake concepts, merge concepts, something called live tables, optimizations, security, model layouts, so on, including KQL, custom query language, KQL, mainly for the purpose of event handling concepts. So everything will be doing it practically. And please, how many hours you can practice per day? Please, everyone. Minimum 1 hour. Please let me know. Please, I'll wait. Because things are a bit vast. So can you practice, please? Minimum 1 hour, everyone. Please, I'll wait.
Sir, 1 to 1.5 hour. 10 minutes.
Perfect, perfect. Others, please let me know, please. Others, I'll wait. Minimum, please. Here it is. To start our implementations from tomorrow, Go to this website app.fabric.microsoft.com. You'll be receiving the cloud credentials. Once you log in, it may ask you for OTP. Just let me know. Once you try to log in, I will be getting a OTP. I can send you the details, the OTP to you. You can try. I mean, whoever received the cloud credentials, you will receive an OTP. Authenticate code, just let me know. I can authorize your login to start our classes from next session tomorrow. Okay, go to Workspace. See here carefully, practice after the class. Go to app.fabric.microsoft.com after the class today. You have the credentials with you. You try to log in, it asks you for the authentication. Just let me know. I can provide you the authorization code during your login time. And then see left side Workspace. I was showing one diagram to you, right? Isn't it? Few minutes back. I'm showing you one diagram few minutes back. That Workspace and the list of all items. Yes, we are going to work with that Workspace concept. Here it is. Left side we have something called Workspaces. Right side you see new Workspace. Please observe carefully. Let's see. Left side Workspace, right side new Workspace. Give the Workspace name. Give a name under your name. For example, I'll say John Workspace. And click apply. Just create a workspace with your name. Okay, like this. Like your different workspaces here in this way. Just create a workspace. See left side new item. And right side create your own workspace name. See workspace and new workspace. Once you give some workspace name, click apply. Within the workspace, we are going to create our ETL and data warehouse items. What is that? ETL and data warehouse items. Now, what are those data warehouse and ETL items? Let's see. Here, very, very simple, straightforward concept. Okay, here we go. Whatever workspace we created, you'll be using it in this way. You have an Azure account, Fabric account. Inside Fabric, Workspace. Inside Workspace, we have ETL items, storage items. Observe carefully. Okay, ETL, storage, two different items. ETL means extract, transform, load. Same way, we have something called storage items. Okay, main purpose of storage items. To store the ETL result, we read data from various sources, right? That result will be stored in warehouse, lakehouse, stream house. I will be teaching you practically all these items, understanding when to use which. And I need to guide you for the DP 700 certification also. Here we need to have non-cloud data sources and cloud data sources with few additional tools and components for our day-to-day interaction with the workspace. Okay, so workspace is the main play area. We'll start our practice from tomorrow. Make sure you log into your Fabric Cloud account, create a workspace under your name, get ready for our examples. We are into left side, TP700 from tomorrow's class. Any questions here? Let me know, please. I'll wait. Please go through it carefully. Any questions here? Let me know. I'll wait. Observe there now. I'll wait for some time. Any questions? We'll stop here. Let's slowly start our examples. And here is the final list of topics that we need to learn. Okay. Please take a screenshot if required, please. Fine, friends. Any questions now? Let me know, please. I'll wait. Yeah, tell me, please.
So do we need to learn PySpark as well?
Part of my course. Yeah, part of my course, we have PySpark also. We'll take it, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, please. Next question, please. I'll wait.
I logged in with the credentials that you provided, and I'm able to log in. I didn't get any prompt or something for the authentication and authorization.
Oh, are you able to log in?
Yes, I am able to log in.
Perfect. Then you can create a workspace directly. No problem.
Okay.
It works. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, hello sir. I'm working as a Power BI developer and I have
Okay.
some knowledge in SQL as well. So in this course, will you explain all these things to related to Fabric and like my basic doubt is like we have like a different detailed transformations done in my organization from SSIS. So those all these work will be deployed in this. Can we do that all the work by using Fabric?
No, SSIS, all work we cannot do in Fabric. Not possible.
Okay.
If it is Azure Data Factory, it is possible to do all SSIS work. Fabric
Okay.
Data Factory, you cannot do all SSIS work. For example, script task of SSIS, you don't have any script task in Fabric as on date. They might
Okay.
introduce in future. Yes, it's all cloud
Okay.
BI. Yes, it's not
Yeah.
on-premises.
Yeah. And one more question, do we cover data flow Gen 2 and whatever the
This one.
like building blocks in Fabric workspace capacity will be covered in this course?
Exactly. Data flow is all about Gen 1, Gen 2 only, mostly Gen
Yeah,
2 or bigger data
yeah,
files. We'll
yeah,
take it. Yes, we'll do. Yep.
yeah. So by learning this like a course, like can we like what roles we can apply for that? What roles will eligible to look for?
Fabric data engineer. Because the
Okay.
TP700 title, examination title from Microsoft is about Fabric data engineer only. That role we can apply for. Yes.
Okay. So with
Yeah.
Power BI and SQL, yeah.
Yeah, if you have Power BI and SQL, you can apply even for Fabric analyst also. You can.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You can apply for both Fabric engineer, Fabric analyst. Both you can apply for. If you have Power BI with you. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Exclusively from this course, it is mainly for engineering.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. You're welcome, sir. Next question, please. I'll wait. Fine, friends. We'll stop for now. Please make sure once you join the course, let's do our best. Practice the things carefully on time. Okay. We'll start from tomorrow, 7 p.m. sharp. We'll start our session. Thank you so much, everyone. Create a workspace with your name and get ready, please. Thank you, friends.
Just a moment, sir.